In this session, we're going to have a look at marking clients within CRMHaven and when you might use those, how you might use this facility. Now, the way that marking works is that every client that you have on display has a checkbox in the left-hand side specifying whether it's marked or not. Now, while there are no fields currently highlighted, no clients currently highlighted, you can see that these buttons are greyed down the bottom. And you see it says that not only none are selected, but none are marked in our whole list. So that's a useful way without having to scroll through to see whether any are marked or not. Now, to mark a particular client, what you do is you just click in its box. If the field is highlighted, and you can highlight multiple ones, you can now come down here and choose to mark, and it will now mark those particular cells. Alternatively, you can unmark in the same way. Choose highlight a number of clients, choose unmark, it'll turn those off. Now, as well as just checking the box or not, it is actually writing those values for marked and for quick contacts off to the server. The reason for that is that you may work on one computer, mark a number, go off to another computer, all of your particular contacts that you want to be marked will be marked exactly the same. Okay, now how do we do it? We've already seen how to mark and unmark down the bottom here. We have a number of other options under the options menu down here where we can say clear all marked clients, so whether they're shown in this list or not. So you can see that at the moment we're viewing 78 clients, but we actually have over 600 clients available totally. If we came down here and said clear all marked clients, then that will clear all of the clients whether they're visible amongst this 78 or not. So if you're starting a particular action that you want to perform on a number of different clients, then the best thing to do is to go clear all marked clients first. What you can then do is do a range of searches. You can either search for particular clients that meet the criteria you're looking for and mark them. You can do more searches and mark them whether they're visible or not. You can click on the particular boxes on the left hand side. However you mark them or not is entirely up to you, but the idea is you will now build up a suite of clients that are marked that you want to perform an action on. Now, performing the actions are available when we have a cell that is marked. Let me just mark one here, and you'll see as soon as we turn on a single one is marked, you'll see we have the actions down here. Now, if you had marked a number of different clients and they're not currently in the visible list, in other words, they're in our clients that other than the 78 that are visible now, what you can do is you come down here and say show only those which are marked. And that way it'll collect all visible and not currently visible marked clients and show them on the list here. The other thing that you may want to see that we've got the option for is hide all marked, so that if, for example, we went to show every client, this will show all of our 600 clients here. There we go. We've got one of them which is marked there. Then what we could do is go and hide those, just so if we wanted to do searches and things amongst those that we hadn't already chosen amongst. Okay, I'm not going to do that at the moment. Instead, what I'm going to do is, now that we've got that highlighted, have a look at the different things that are available under the actions menu. So you can see under the actions menu we have a number of different items down here. These will only operate on the currently marked clients. So all of these things down here, which we'll go through in more detail later on, will affect every one of the marked ones. Any clients which are unmarked will be completely untouched. So if we wanted to, for example, add a comment to all of the particular clients that are marked, we could choose this here, and it would only add a comment to that one particular marked client. All the rest would be left untouched. So the advantage of the marked is that we can have visible as many different clients as we want, in this case over 600, and just work on the few that we wanted, that we choose. You can mark and unmark as much as you want, and I would suggest you just clear the unmarking when you finish with it. But it will remember the marking from one computer to another. As you log in, it remembers it according to which user, and it'll remember it between quits and relaunches of the program. Okay, that's marking. I hope you find it a useful function. Thank you. Goodbye.